Today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on Android phone. There are many methods. So first method which I'll try is just press this, press your this screen, press for some time. This will come, and here you can see wallpaper style. Okay, so from this one you can go to change wallpaper. So these are different sections of wallpaper like featured, gallery, create with AI. This is basically in Samsung, which I'm showing. So similar will be there on your Android phone. So graphical colors, and so there will be different sections. You can choose any. Like suppose I have choose this one, and you can click on done. So it will change the wallpaper. Okay. So there are many other options also you can try with. So this is how you can check. Change the wallpaper in your Android system. And if you want to change the lock screen, when you change this, it will ask you. See, it will ask you. So this is the lock screen. Okay. So this is also you can change whichever you want to have your wallpaper, and so you can choose from gallery. You can choose from suggestions. There are different options are there. So this is how you can change your wallpaper. Okay, and so if you want to go to settings, so go to settings, and you can search here wallpaper. Okay, wallpaper in style. This will come, and accordingly you can click here and change it. So wallpapers, you can click on wallpapers, and then you can select from gallery or from anywhere. So this is suppose I want to create an AI, generative AI. So this is basically in Samsung. So you may have different options if you have newer phones. So suppose I want to generate something of flowers. Okay, poppies. You can change the flower. Suppose I choose bird, and color should be like I think red. Okay, so it is generating now. So I am having Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is how it has generated. You can choose whichever you want to set. You can select this, then you can click on done. So this will change your wallpaper. So look. So basically that has changed for the lock screen. You can see my lock